Almost everybody is using EduRev app to prepare for Class 10 board exams nowadays, but most of the people don't know that EduRev has literally everything that you need to get great percentage in Class 10 exams. Firstly, it has courses for all the main subjects: science, social studies, mathematics, English, Hindi, etc. These courses have been structured to offer you video lectures and detailed notes for all the topics to help you understand better, and after that you can attempt quick online tests offering detailed solutions for each question. In addition to these, you get a structured course for short and long answer questions that prepare you for different types of questions asked in Class 10 board exams. You also get NCERT textbooks and exemplar with their solutions, which are really helpful from exam point of view and to make you exam ready. What else? You also get solutions to all the additional books like Lakhmir Singh and Manjit Kaur for science, R.D. Sharma for mathematics, which will help you study advanced level concepts. EduRev also provides you with the NEET and JEE foundation courses to help you create a strong foundation for future competitive exams. You will also get a complete crash course for Class 10, which you can refer for a quick understanding and revision of all the important topics. For your last-minute preparation, you also get a course for mind maps for all the chapters. And to complete your preparation, you are provided with past year papers and sample papers, where you will find complete analysis with all India ranks and solutions to each question. We obviously cannot fit everything in a single video. So go and start using the app to get all this and a lot more in a single package of EduRev Infinity for Class 10, which is available at a very affordable price. You won't find anything which is better, and definitely not at a price close to this. Just go and join EduRev Infinity package now and ace your exams like other EduRev toppers across the globe.